Good morning, my dear students. How is it going? I hope you all are going well. My little students, it's your English lecture and the topic is meet the letter Y and Y sound is Y. Y sound is Y. Y. Come on the book page number 66. Here is some singing words. Firstly, we will sing them. Sing with me. A yolk, brown and black. See the yolk. The color of yolk is brown and black. Walking up the mountain track. A yak is sailing in the sea. Ready for a ride for you and me. Ready for a ride for you and me. Now come on the word and know that how we can write the letter Y. It's a Y. Which letter is here? Y. And its sound is Y. 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 Read with me. It's a letter Y and its sound is Y. And here is a yolk. What is this? Yolk. Y. Y. Yolk. यॉक किसको बोलते हैं? जर्दी को. एंड दिस इज अ येलो कलर. वाई य येलो. एंड इट्स अ यॉक. वाई य यॉक. यॉक. एंड इट इज अ यो यो. वाई य यो यो. रीड विथ मी. वाई य यो यो. एंड दिस इज अ येट. वाई य येट. वाई य येट. Now read with me, my kids. Y yolk. Y yellow. Y yolk. Y yo-yo. Y yet. Now you have to memorize these words very well, my kids. And now come on the book page number 67. On this page you will read and trace the letter Y. And here is a lot of yolk. Here are yolks. Color the yolks using your thumb prints. आपने अपना thumb print use करते हुए yolks में coloring करनी है. And come down. Circle the letter Y. आपने Y को circle करना है. Okay, my champions. Allah Hafiz.